Hello friends, on this video how you can set fingerprint lock on a mobile phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting. From here you can see here's the search setting and you can search from here fingerprint, or you can scroll down. Okay, but if you search then it will be shortcut for you, but you can scroll down and here you can see this option of the biometrics and password. So friends, you have to tap on biometrics and password. When you tap on biometrics and password, here in this screen you can see this is the fingerprint ID non-enroll, face recognition non-enroll, but you want to set fingerprint lock, then obviously just tap on fingerprint. Then from here you can set your fingerprint lock, but if you don't want this pin lock, you want your own name as your screen lock, or pattern lock as your screen lock. Okay, the pattern. So how you can change your start? Here's the change unlock method. Just tap on change unlock method here, then this option, and in this option select unlock method. You have to select, okay, 4-digit pin, custom pin, pattern and password, which one you want. I select here pattern, then I have to draw my pattern. And friends, when you are drawing your pattern, please remember your screen lock. If you don't remember, you may lose your data. I just again confirm my screen. After that, from here click on done. When you click on done, from here you can see it says use fingerprint ID to where you want to use your fingerprint as unlock device, access safe, access app lock, where you want to use your fingerprint lock. So here's the new fingerprint and here's the options that you want to use. I just tap on new fingerprint, then here click on add fingerprint. It says place your fingerprint flat, face your fingerprint flat on the sensor area and lift it when the device vibrates, then repeat the process. The accuracy of the fingerprint sensor may be affected if you're using third-party screen protector. For best results, use an official owner screen protector. Don't remind me again. It's okay, click on OK. Scan it. See, you just scan like this, okay? You just remove your finger here and there so that it will scan easily and fastly. And adjust your fingerprint. See the red mark showing. You have to scan now this side, and now this side, and now down side, and now this side, corner side, okay, and now this last one, and now again up one, here on the up one, and now down one, and this side. Here we have successfully done enrollment successful. We have completed our fingerprint, and after that click on done. So it says set up face recognition. I just click on cancel, and if you want to set face lock, then you can set it. Okay, so I have completed to set my fingerprint lock, and if you too you want to set fingerprint lock, then you can set it fingerprint lock. Okay, see. So friends, this is how you can apply fingerprint lock on a mobile phone. And friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.